Hi again, folks. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 73 Lincoln Continental Coupe. This comes from Mario in El Paso, Texas. Mario has requested the modern internal conversion with a heck of a lot more output power because we go in with a new harness in place of the original connectors. He's also requested my cool master input-output box that has your aux input and all your preamp and subwoofer outputs, and also the Bluetooth feature. Let's see if there's anything else that he requested on here. Oh yes, the HD radio feature, which is working on as well. So let's go ahead and test this puppy out. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate our balance and fader functions during talk radio and not get nailed for copyright stuff. So here we go.
Hey, I was calling to thank you. My son got home from the Wild Adventure last night at midnight.
We're going to adjust our front rear fader, then our left right balance.
A couple years with COVID and everything, and
front rear
starting
fader.
college this weekend, and
fader adjust.
Okay.
His life.
All the way front.
Oh, wow. That was an
rear.
unsolicited phone call that
Front.
we've always kept close
Rear.
because they're the best kind
Center.
of endorsements you can possibly have. And
Fader
set.
videos over at
Left, right balance.
TWA.us of what they
balance adjust.
have and how much they eat and how
All the
much
left.
they fish. It's a perfect
Right.
gift for anyone aged
Left.
21 to
Right.
35.
Center 'em.
Young guns, look for it at
Balance set.
Okay,
US.
let's make sure
You
the
can also
Bluetooth
give
goes into
yourself
pairing
the
mode.
gift of losing weight.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard
I'm
that.
a longtime sponsor
Okay, let's
of the
move over to
UWA.
FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. So, FM. Okay, try the 8-track. Okay, blank spot there.
Hush, hush, bye, hush, hush, get to the blue. Gratefully standing here holding you. Hush, hush, bye, bye, hush, hush. Cleared like cloudy skies, answer to my prayer.
Calgary. Shop Dell
Okay,
Technologies
pull it out.
Cyber.
Radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on and off. And it does. You can just barely see a faint, soft blue glow there. So if she's ready to go back to the customer, I'm ready to get on the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And on the first page of that website, you only got to read that for that home page. From that page, please download and print the work order so that you've got an idea of my options, prices, and turn times before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is designed for, designed to answer most, if not all, of your questions. And that way, if you do have to call me, it's only for a few minutes instead of a half an hour. So I really need to be on the bench. That's where the work gets done, guys. So please observe that and do your research. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Mario, for your business from El Paso, Texas, and we'll see you guys next time. Actually, in a few more minutes.